They weave nests from grass, feathers, and paper scraps, sometimes even stealing threads from clotheslines. City sparrows have even been spotted using cigarette butts to line their nests, which helps keep insects away. Here's something poetic. Sparrows are symbols of joy, protection, and community in many cultures. In some traditions, spotting a sparrow is considered good luck, a reminder that even the smallest creatures bring big meaning. So, next time you hear that cheerful chirp outside your window, take a moment to appreciate the sparrow. Small, social, and full of life, this little bird proves that greatness often comes in tiny packages. If you want it more bird themed, love birds, subscribe for the next fact.